how to call people on Instagram. Instagram lets us make voice and video calls directly in the application. So if we do not know where this option is, we might miss quick conversations or end up switching apps. So let's see how we can do it properly on Insta. Open up the Instagram app, and once we open it up, make sure we are logged in and connected to the internet. So ensure that, and once we do so, we can head over to the DM section. So in the new update, we can find the DM option in the bottom of our screen, tap on it, and there we can open up the chat of the person that we want to call with. So go ahead and tap on it. And once we tap on it, what we need to do is basically look out for the voice call or the phone call option, the phone call or the video call option, usually in the top right corner. And the call should instantly start. It will start, and we can mute, unmute microphone, turn the camera on or off, switch between the front and the rear camera. And the thing is, the call option, if it is not showing, it may be because you have not followed each other or have chat enabled. So you can do so. And apart from that, you can update the Insta to the latest version. So you can close this up, head over to Play Store, and within there, go to the search for Insta here. And once we find Instagram, ensure this application is updated to the latest version, and also give the necessary permissions for Instagram application. So what we can do is basically go ahead and look out for Insta, hold it up, go to their info, and once we go to their info, you may scroll or find the option for permissions, tap on it, and there just go and give the permissions for your camera and your microphone. And that's it. And also the Instagram call depends upon internet connection. So make sure you are connected in internet while doing the call, and you can switch between voice to video during a call. And that's it. Now we can call people directly on Instagram. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.